These two accomplices took the package left at the door, but when the homeowner noticed, they had to run away.
Get the away from my house. Get away from my house. I'm a girl if you don't get away from my house. Get away from my house.
The homeowner, not knowing who this man was, warned him and said they would call the police. Who is this man?
What are you doing at my door? Get out of my door, I don't know you. Get out of my door, I don't know you. I don't know who you are. What are you doing at my door? Get out of my door. Leave before I call the police. I will call the police if you don't leave, sir. Leave now.
Is this woman homeless? She's shivering, and no one is helping her. Look at the dark circles under her eyes. What has she been through?
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hey, can you come and get me, please? Guy that I met at the restaurant, are you interested in me? It took me a while to track you down, but, like, I'm pretty sure this is your house, so I was wondering if you wanted to chill. Can you come through this? I'm homeless, I just got out of prison.
This man set his sights on the metal bars in the garage and took them away within seconds. Angry at the homeowner, this young man kicks the door open and takes the packages inside. Why did he do this? What happened between him and the homeowner?
What are you doing? That's not yours.
When the neighbor next door asks what he's doing, he reacts even more aggressively. People often have conflicts with each other, and it happens a lot. Here, a flower pot is shattered. Luckily, the homeowner wasn't outside. Look at them, they're not even ashamed of their age. Why did you leave this mattress in front of this house? If it's trash, you could have taken it somewhere else. Or you could have given it to someone in need. With so many homeless people around, why are you doing this? These things, placed in front of the door as decorations, are taken by two bicycle-riding kids who grab them and run off. Look at this. He's not satisfied with just one. He takes them all, but he forgets that the doorbell camera is recording. This young man stole a package and doesn't want to be seen by anyone. To avoid being seen while a car passes by, he lies down in front of the car, and when the car passes, he gets up, realizes someone is coming, and throws the package into the grass before running off. While checking if the packages in front of his door are his, this neighbor causes trouble and starts cursing. I wonder what the reason is.
I don't care, man. I don't care what you record. You sissy? You a sissy. Hide behind their damn camera. Oh, fuck you, you fucking punk. You can't whoop me. Come on, motherfucker. And when I catch your ass out on that street, you're mine. Motherfucker. Woo. Yeah, that's good. No more either. I'm gonna make my stand. You and your huffing blue. Oh, hush up. Stop behind your back. Come on out here like a man. Come on out here. You know what? Sean whooped my other son. If he ever gets a hold of you, you're...
The police come to investigate the situation.
So, do you know anything about that? Do you know anything about that?
So when I got off work tonight, I came from market, I walked through this way, I come up here, I dropped my e-cig, I picked it up, walked up the steps, came in here. And actually before I come in, beating on his window, yelling some crazy shit. I turned, I shook my head and walked inside.
That's all you know? You don't know anything about the rock?
You know, he's tried to say this like 4 or 5 times now, and he hasn't.
Okay. So you did throw a rock?
Sir. He's been trying to do this for the longest time. He keeps antagonizing my dad, he keeps antagonizing my pops. He keeps trying to harass me whenever he sees me. He's supposed to be a victim. I'm just waiting for him to move. I just don't want secrets so he can stop stalking us with his ring camera. Even now he's sitting here recording this.
Video shows are on. So no more BSing, just really through it. It's not damaged. Just be straight. It's okay. You're lying, whatever. But the video shows are off, you know. So, I'm not lying. Just tell us what happened. Not damaged, don't see it today. We're just gonna doctor that. Like you want.
I didn't throw a rock. Jesus Christ.
You sure?
100% sure.
You're the only one in video frame covering the entire street. Rock smacks the windows. Pretty unlikely.
I mean, he has, what, 4 or 5 cameras around that way? I'm pretty sure he would see me if I threw it.
It does. That's
Like-
why I'm asking you to stop the yes. Just be straight.
Like, it physically shows me going like that.
It shows you in frame and the rock hit the window. You're the one